everyone! Today we are going to do an interesting experiment with oranges and learn some new concepts while I explain the science behind.
Take an orange and put it inside water. You will see it floats. Now we will remove the peel and put it inside the water back. His name. What do you think? What will happen? Will it float or sink? It sank.
An orange with the peel weighs more than the orange without the peel. Then why does the orange with the peel float on water and the one without the peel sinks? Surprisingly, whether an object would float or sink in water has nothing to do with the weight or mass of that object. We have seen gigantic ships float over water, though a small needle would sink. So, certainly it's not the mass. It actually depends on something called density. We know mass means how much matter is inside that object, and the volume is the measure of how much space it occupies. Density, however, tells us how closely this mass is packed inside that object. Density of a material is defined as mass per unit volume, its SI unit being kilogram per meter cube. If there are two objects of the same volume, then the one with more mass is said to have more density than the one with less mass. However, if two objects have the same mass, then the one which occupies less space is called to have more density than the object which occupies more space. When an object is immersed in a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object which is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by that object, while the force due to gravity is acting downward on the object. So, if the weight of the liquid displaced by the object is equal to or more than the weight of the object, it would float, otherwise it would sink. Let's now come back to our orange experiment. The orange with the peel floats because the peel is porous and filled with many tiny air pockets, which makes its average density less than water, exactly like an air-filled life jacket keeps people afloat in water. And when we remove the peel, the density of the orange becomes more than water, making it sink. Let's now take another orange with the peel half removed and put it in water. No matter how we put it, this unpeeled portion would always be downwards. Moral of the story is, whenever you are doing water sports, always wear a life jacket. Thank you for watching this video. Do share it with your friends and classmates. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.